The first unmanned Loyal Wingman aircraft was presented by Boeing to the Royal Australian Air Force in Sydney on May 5. Boeing Australia announced on May 5, 2020 that it has rolled out the first of 3 production representative unmanned aircraft being built under the Royal Australian Air Force's odd $40 million. This project is also known as the Loyal Wingman Advanced Development Program. The type is the first clean-sheet Boeing aircraft to be developed outside the US and the first military aircraft to be built in Australia in more than 50 years. The 3 Loyal Wingman aircraft prototypes are expected to be used for testing and validating new technologies and operational concepts for future RAAF operations. ATS is designed to work with manned aerial assets in the Loyal Wingman role and to do so at a remarkably low cost. In effect, the concept has the potential to drastically expand the size of a tactical jet force at a fraction of the cost of buying full-up manned airframes, while also infusing a whole new set of disruptive tactics into an air arms playbook. It will also make manned assets more survivable by not having to risk them during the direst parts of some missions. Aimed at the global defense market, the Loyal Wingman is the foundation of Boeing's air power teaming system. It is approximately 38 feet long and has a range of more than 2,000 nautical miles. The project is Boeing's largest unmanned aircraft investment outside of the US. Boeing sees the combination of artificial intelligence and a certain level of autonomy to be key in really creating a revolutionary capability that can work as a huge force multiplier for existing manned combat aircraft. These drones don't fly with a pilot remotely at the controls in a traditional sense, like say an MQ-9 Reaper drone. They will be directed in more of a point-and-click desktop or screen-top style interface. With the help of AI, they can automate much of this process, leaving their human overlords to concentrate on the big tactical picture instead of on constant small navigation and tactical tasks. Even being in the right place at the right time before a major tactical decision is made by the operator, which would be flying in a nearby aircraft, could be a huge help in an air combat situation. The initiative, which is a cooperative effort between Boeing Australia and the Royal Australian Air Force, has moved at a remarkably fast pace. The program was announced just 14 months ago and the Boeing Australia team has been flying subscale demonstrators to test the software and concepts of operation behind the system for months now. The program is also somewhat unique in that it's an ambitious venture between the Australian Ministry of Defence and Boeing Australia, with the aircraft being designed and built in Australia as well. In other words, this is not a US program, but the results of it could impact the future of air power both in the United States and in many allied countries around the globe. We are proud to take this significant step forward with the Royal Australian Air Force and show the potential for smart unmanned teaming to serve as a force multiplier, said Kristen Robertson, Vice President and General Manager of Autonomous Systems for Boeing Defense, Space, and Security. Also said, "We look forward to getting the aircraft into flight testing and proving out the unmanned teaming concept." Although it's not clear yet what ownership the RAAF has over the project or even how much of the bill it's footed. The Australian government says that it's put up $40 million for the project, but Boeing hasn't revealed its contribution. Chances are Boeing would want to structure the rights to the program in a way that also lets it sell to the far larger US military. Boeing and RAAF said in a joint statement that it is expected to fly for the first time later this year. Thanks for watching the video. Please comment and let us know your views on this.